Robinson after go to run in the morning at 7 a.m. Camilo goes to work in the wet at 8 a.m. Julian never go to the gym in the noon at 7 a.m. Gogo, will there ever miss the class Tuesday? Play pool and house on the weekend at 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Gogo Doins play volleyball in the U. Camilo driving in motorbike in 2 days. Sandra Doins speak French on Tuesday. Hassan Doins to homework. Robinson eat hamburger on Saturday.